In this video, I will show you step by step how to redeem your Monopoly Go code to McDonald's app and how to get the reward, guys. So if you have got the Monopoly Go code, I'll show you a full instruction what you need to do. First of all, you need to get ready. Make sure you have McDonald's app installed and you are logged into your McDonald's account. Then you need to take your Monopoly Go printed code and get ready. So guys, just open the McDonald's app. You need to click on the Monopoly Go banner on the home screen, but if you can't find the banner, you can go to the menu, click more tab, and find manually Monopoly Go, guys. After you will go to the Monopoly Go section, then you need to pick between two options, scan code or enter the code manually. So you can just simply scan the code using your mobile phone camera, or if you have got some issues, you can just enter the code manually, guys. Just click on enter the code and write your code manually into the McDonald's app, or just scan it with your camera. And finally, guys, the McDonald's app will show you the reward. There will be either free food item or it might be a property piece for your digital board. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. See you in the next video update.